Welcome to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. My featured home of the day is 5765 Orchard Lane E. For a limited time, D.R. Horton is offering interest rates as low as 4.75. That saves you a ton of money. Don't forget they're also paying up to $4,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. And this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing. You don't want to miss these deals. 251-234-9919. This home features granite countertops in the kitchens and in the baths, stainless steel appliances, a beautiful covered back porch. This home is in the Baker School District. This beautiful Mila floor plan is a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. It's almost 3,000 square feet. This home features a 3-car garage and it comes standard with a smart home package. You'll get a quick set smart code front door lock, a Sky doorbell, a Honeywell thermostat that you can control via your phone or tablet. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that saves you even more money on your homeowner's insurance. This home comes with a 1-year builder warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Call today for more details. I don't want you to miss this deal. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600.